Every piece I embroider starts on a table that looks a little like this. Today, I want to show you everything on it and why each piece earns its place. Equipment and tools. Let's start with the tool that gives this technique its name, the Luneville hook. It has 4 parts: the handle, the screw, the needle holder, and the needle itself. Simple in design, but every part matters when you're working for hours at a time. Hook handles can have very different designs: wood, bone, even inlaid detail like these. But here's the thing: the handle design doesn't affect the embroidery itself. What matters is size. Over time, you'll learn what diameter feels right in your own hand, usually somewhere between 5 and 7 millimeters, with an average handle length of about 10 centimeters. The needle itself looks a little like the tip of a crochet hook, but sharper, with a deeper hook at the end. There are 5 sizes: 70, 80, 90, 100, and 120. The number tells you the diameter. A 70 is 0.7 millimeters, and so on. In my own practice, I reach for the 80 most often. You choose your size based on the thickness of the thread you're working with. Scissors are easy to overlook, but they're essential. Over the years, I've built up a fairly large collection, but for anyone starting out, these 3 are enough. One with a sharp tip and a rounded tip. This is what you'll use most for trimming thread and cutting embroidery away from the base fabric. One with both ends sharp, for tight corners and small, delicate details. And one with both tips sharp and slightly curved, mainly for applique work, trimming excess fabric at the edge. This one is a little unusual if you've never embroidered before: a stiletto or piercer. Wood, bone, metal, sometimes even silver or gold. It's an old tool, used for centuries to guide thread and pierce fabric with precision. I still reach for mine constantly. This little tray holds your small, loose materials: beads, sequins, crystals, while you're working with a needle. Most embroiderers make their own, in whatever size suits them. The surface should be non-slip. Velvet or felt works beautifully, with slightly raised edges so nothing rolls away mid-stitch. Round hoops. You can use them for Luneville embroidery, but there's a catch. Both your hands are busy while you work, so the hoop needs to be mounted to your table somehow. And here's a little secret from my own workshop. You don't need specialized equipment for this. These are ordinary clamps from a hardware store. Different shapes, different grips, but they hold a hoop steady just as well. Even something as simple as a small cup or jar works perfectly for holding your working spool of thread within reach. One thing to always check, whichever mount you choose: can you remove the hoop easily? In Luneville embroidery, you'll often need to lift it off the stand to reach the other side of your work. For larger pieces, we move from hoops to a proper frame. A professional embroidery frame is usually rectangular. The most common standard size is 60 by 100 centimeters. It's built from 4 separable wooden pieces. 2 of them carry cotton or linen tape, about 5 centimeters wide, and everything is joined together with screws. The legs matter just as much as the frame itself. The frame isn't fixed to them because you'll be rotating it constantly as you work. Good legs adjust in height and tilt, so you can sit properly no matter what you're working on. And again, you don't need to buy specialized legs. Chair edges, table sides, the top of a dresser, all of it works. Small rectangular frames mount to a table the same way as round hoops. To stretch your base fabric onto the frame, you'll need tape and pins. A large standard frame needs 2 cotton twill tapes, each about 3 centimeters wide and 5 meters long. For a smaller frame, 2 to 2.5 centimeters wide is enough. Buy more pins than you think you need. You'll use them constantly. And finally, the ordinary sewing needle. No embroidery happens without one. Keep a range of sizes in your pincushion. I always recommend the finest ones, sizes 15 and 13, for tiny seed beads. For everything else, choose based on your thread and fabric. I personally prefer needles with a longer eye. Threading is so much easier that way. That's a lot to take in at once, I know. So if you're just starting out, here's what you actually need on day 1. The hook, 1 needle size, 80 is a safe start, 1 pair of scissors, a small hoop, and a stiletto. Everything else, you can add as you grow. Don't feel like you need the full workshop to take your first stitch. That's the full kit. None of it is complicated, but each piece earns its place on the table. In the next video, I'll show you exactly what fabric, thread, and beads to buy to get started. I'll see you there.